For next year, ilang target?
Ang target namin ng exclusive service center around additional 5 to 7 across all regions. Cebu, Davao, North and South. So
For now,
in next year, mas marami pa exclusive service center.
sir, for now, all walk-in ba? Or they can also schedule,
They can also schedule, just contact our call center for repair pick-up or courier services. So our contact center can easily assign a service partner to contact the customer.
Do we have figures na po kung meron nang nasa service dito sa Philippines?
Sa Philippines,
Yeah.
may existing authorized service center naman kami. Marami na, since 2 years ago pa, may mga partner na kami. Around 10 yung natin, yung service partner natin last year. Now we increase it to 20 yung mga multi-brand authorized service centers. But here, this is the first exclusive service center.
Has there been any significant particular problem na na-encounter with the devices or each are like mostly isolated?
Iba-iba eh. Iba-iba yung cases in each devices. Lahat naman na we can easily resolve it. That of course, marami din kasi volume. So, let's expect na volume also equates to quantity rin ng customer support that needs. That's why we also establish our contact center this year. We ramp up our contact center. It's supporting Philippines and Americas. So, yung contact center nandito. So, Philippine contact center din siya. So, they can easily support our region and also the Americas market.
Okay.
sir, is it only exclusive for smartphones or may iba pang Xiaomi devices na pwede rin yan?
And they can support also the other devices. They've been trained, ongoing yung progress ng training. But for here, smartphone muna and Mi Band device.
Mi Band.
But in the future, yung TV, iba rin yung service partner nun. Here kasi, ang partner namin is Squartec Corporation. They're the exclusive service center. But in the future, by next year siguro, some of the AIoT devices as well as TV, they will be able to support. So yung sa scooters, mga e-scooters, meron din kami partners appointed for that.
How much warranty do you give the Ayora devices po?
Iba-iba sila eh. Meron 6 months, may 1 year. Depends on the product.
Okay.
What are your next target location for the service center?
Next target location is in Cebu, Manila, and Davao, and North and South. North and South. But it will vary again depending on the volume of sales. Sino yung region na marami. So definitely we will establish an exclusive service center there para centralize yung location that customer can get the support that they needed on that particular area. With Xiaomi. As long as it is intended for Philippine country, may mga natitira pa naman kami spare parts available. If not, end of life na, masyado matagal na, 5 years na, natitira na. But as long as it's launched in Philippines, we can support.
What if gusto na mag-replace na kumuha ng bago, would there be a discount if like you are
It depends din sa retail shop na partner. Meron silang mga program about may project about that. Yung trade-in program, that's right. Trade-in program. So watch out for that because may mga models na upcoming that will have a trade-in program. Just need to bring your old device. So, siyempre, pag Xiaomi device, mas malaki yung trade-in value. Pricing ng parts, it's posted in our website. Sa me.com/service/repair. Meron doon, warranty sa baba. Nandun yung pricing. Not necessarily maglagay sa may account, sa website mismo. Meron siyang separate landing page for for that spare parts.
Alright.
Yeah. So
That'll
thank
be
you.
all.
Please feel free to